This video will explore the changes and additions to the wording around assessment in the new 2021 Early Years Framework. Assessment continues to play a central role in understanding children's progress and needs, as well as how to support them. The new framework expands on how to assess an individual child's development. It states that practitioners should use their knowledge and professional judgment to do so, and they do not need to prove this through collection of physical evidence, emphasizing the importance of practitioners' judgment and knowledge. The progress check at age 2 remains the same, as well as the advice on how it should be carried out and shared. There has been an addition of the Reception Baseline Assessment, the RBA. The Reception Baseline Assessment will be statutory from September 2021. It is an assessment that needs to be done in the first 6 weeks a child starts reception. There is statutory guidance on how to carry out the RBA, which can be found at the end of the EYFS framework. This will be covered in more detail in a separate video. The assessment at the end of the EYFS, the Early Years Foundation Stage profile, remains. The EYFS profile will involve assessing children in relation to the Revised Early Learning Goals, the ELGs, at the end of reception. The framework makes clear that the ELGs should not be used as a curriculum. There will no longer be an exceeding judgment for the ELGs, so practitioners will decide if children are meeting expected levels of development or are emerging. Year 1 teachers must still be given a copy of the EYFS profile report, but commentary is not mandatory. Early years practitioners and reception teachers may choose if they will give a short commentary on children's skills and abilities in relation to the characteristics of effective teaching and learning. The framework also clarifies that the profile should be completed by all registered early years settings who have children starting in Year 1 the following academic year. It has also changed the wording from the profile must reflect ongoing observation and all relevant records held by the setting to it must reflect practitioners' own knowledge and professional judgment of a child. Local authorities no longer need to moderate early years providers in relation to the EYFS profile or assessments. Early years providers must still report EYFS profile results to local authorities so they can return this data to the government. If you would like to find out more about the early learning goals and how they have changed, you can find lots of valuable resources on site, some of which are linked below.